Hi. If you're looking for some great email IDs for men's skincare, look no further. In this video, we'll introduce you to 10 of the best emails that you can use to market men's skincare. These emails will going to give you ammunition you need to make the most out of your marketing campaigns. We'll be looking at several topics and several subject lines that you could use, such as memes, what's best for men, social proof, some kind of humor as well, smell, whatever. We're gonna feature and talk about brands like Disco, Manscaped, Lumin, and some others as well. My name is Mehdi, and I'm gonna be your host today. Subscribe to our channel to get updates. We're publishing new videos about e-commerce every week, and you'll find in the description just below the swipe file that I've made for this video. It's free to download. I'm gonna start right away. To do this benchmark and find this example, I'm going to use a platform called Panoramata. It's a platform that we've built here, and it's a platform that basically allows you to monitor competitors super easily and find marketing inspiration like this. So basically right now I can look for some brand. We're going to look here. So here are some of the brands that we're going to take a look at today. I've already did the work of putting up the swipe file that you'll be able to download in the description. And basically, the first example that I want to use is this one by Stryx, which is makeup for men brand. One tool, many uses, conceal and contour. And I wanted to highlight this email because it's a great example for skincare men, especially of featuring the many uses of a single product. I believe that it was a great idea, a great angle, and actually a great email because it features both this one tool, many uses. Then you enter an email that says quick tips for contouring, and then it lands on a before and after photo, which sounds like UGC because you see that it's taken directly from TikTok. So it's a great example. And then you have a tutorial here, which is great work. Nothing wrong with handsome. Okay, all right. That was for the first email. Second one is from Manscaped. I just wanted to highlight this because it's interesting, and there are not a lot of e-com brands doing this right now. Manscaped is one of them. They actually have a YouTube channel, and they send emails to actually highlight each new video that they're publishing. And I thought that it was a great example. It's great entertainment by Manscaped. All right, third example is around the use of meme, which is super efficient for this kind of brand. It's fun. It's within the code of what everybody's looking at, reading for entertainment. And here we go for BlackWolf, banish acne for good. Yeah, and the email there is super simple. Our products actually work, unlike on competitors. Acne body spray, beam, 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 beam. Need we say more? Get acne spray. I guess that the content of the email could be a bit improved here, but here we go. The main thing that I wanted to highlight, the main idea that I wanted to give was the use of memes, such as this one. All right. The next one, is an email from BlackWolf as well. It's the subject line that I do appreciate particularly here. The best body scrub for men, period. And here you go. So you have the email in itself. It's simple, nothing fancy here. Highlight the ingredients. There's some social proof. All right, it's good. The font is big, so I guess it shows up clearly on email as well. But the best for men is actually one of the approach that you can use for your subject lines. Actually, for any industry, just shows up that you build product for a specific target, and that's super important. That's a super important thing to say. Next email is about romance and your boo. Show boo and your skin some love. That's by a brand called Lumin Skin. Super aggressive brand on advertising and on their offer, and yeah, it's one of their main selling points and communication angle is actually, yeah, men are hotter with skincare. So that's one of the example that they're of the email that they're sending, and they're using these kind of approaches as well. Of course, our Valentine's Day offer ends soon. 68% of guys don't care about Valentine's Day. All right. Not bad. Not exceptional, but the angle is clear. It's funny. It's definitely um, click worthy, I'd say. So, yeah, works well for sure. All right. Next one is from one of my favorite brands here called Disco. And it's, yeah, live shaving tips. When I saw this subject line, I had to highlight it within the video. It's a great headline. Uh, definitely, yeah, definitely worth nothing, and worth of inspiration. Definitely have its space on the swipe file. Shave irritation, we got you covered. It's a great email because it starts with the problematics that um, people have, and just state the clear things here is we got you covered, and then you explain why, sharing tips and tricks as well, and the same way a tutorial as well. Yeah, plus all the positivity. See, just remember shaving care plus skincare equals self care. Take care of that handsome face of yours. More shaving tips. All right, that's a great email. And the next one is a variation of the BlackWolf one that we had before. It's still from Disco, and the subject line is the mask that's made for men. The same way that we had the best for men. Here we have the that's made for men. Be specific in your subject line if you're targeting, a specific demographics. It will always work better. And then the email is great as well. Forget the spa, get the full treatment at home, just for men. Did you know? Here's what's specific. Here's the proposition value of the company and the range. Here's why we created men specific product. Here we go. So men have oilier skin than women. Lucky for you, we created blah 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 for dudes. Learn more and take 20% off. All right. Great email as well. I do like this email very, very much actually. All right, great. Next one is from Balsy. Nobody wants to smell like meat, yet here we are for Thanksgiving. For the humor, I'd say, but I found that it was a catchy subject line and a great email. So it definitely a great example here. The partner pleaser. There's nothing sexy about licking meat juice out of your skin after a Thanksgiving night of overindulgence. All right, and it was just during the Black Friday. All right, great. Well, of course, it was Thanksgiving. Okay, great. Next one is to the same. It was for the subject line, especially for your nuts, butts, and body, and now charity. Goal here is always highlight the body parts. I'd say in this way, always highlight body parts in the, well, not always, but it works well for sure because the same way it targets specific needs and it's catchy. It's catchy to be specific, which is the case here, highlighting body parts. National Men Health limited edition ball wash. Same, it's a great email. It's a great email. A lot of visuals. It's clear. It's great. All right. And the last email that I wanted to feature in this video is also an email from Balsy, but it's one of, I'd say it's a variation of a social proof email. This one just states both customer reviews and awards from press. So here is a Esquire Grooming Award winner 10% off. And then it's a great example that you should use, especially with Esquire, with GQ, all those kinds of magazines. If you do happen to have awards from them, then definitely highlight them in your emails. For your email marketing strategy. So customer favorites, and it's a trimmer, right? I guess. Oh, it's a groomer. All right, shop now. And then social proof with some reviews, of course. Right, and social proof all the way. All right. So those are the 10 emails and 10 approaches that I wanted to speak about today. I hope it helped. I hope it gave you ideas. I did created this swipe file that you see here. It actually mixes ads and emails, but you'll find all the emails that we've spoken about in this file. It's free to download in the description just below, so you can go ahead and get it for you. Last thing that I wanted to say is subscribe to the channel if you want to receive new analysis and new marketing inspiration for e-commerce. We're publishing videos every week. That's it. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.